You miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. Hi, my name is Musa Ganega, and today I'm going to tell you about my appreciative inquiry presentation. Before I get to the presentation, I'm going to tell you a little bit of background about myself. This appreciative inquiry project has been a great experience for me. It took a while to do, just like many of you, but it was worth it in the end. This picture is from when I was in ninth grade, so about 4 years ago. Who I am. My name is Musa Gandega. I was born November 25th, 1998 in Africa, Senegal. I'm not from the United States. I had two little sisters, one named Miriam, one named Jeneba, and one brother named Sadu. I lived with all three of them and my mom and my dad. In high school, I was in student council for 2 years and I played basketball for 4 years. I played small forward and I played soccer for 4 years. I played striker. I don't have a major right now, but I'm still deciding on what major I want to pick. What is it about me that you wouldn't know? I speak about 4 languages: English, French, and 2 forms of African. It's called Soninke and Wolof. As a kid, I grew up watching mostly sports or just playing sports. I played soccer, I played basketball, I played football. I played them almost my whole life. This picture up here is from me in my senior year, high school. This was the first game of the season, and this right here is my senior year in high school. This was the last game of the season for soccer. This was for basketball. When I'm at home, I don't speak English. I speak Soninke to my parents and my siblings. Sometimes on my siblings. When I'm working on towards becoming a better leader and a successful person in life. I want to one day look back and feel like I did something amazing or something worth remembering. I want to become a more mature person when I get out of college. After college, I would love to move to a different city because I feel like I've been living in Philadelphia for too long. I want to travel around the world. Where? As I said before, I live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Right now, my parents are from Africa, Senegal. That's where I was born too. I've been here since I was about 8 or 9. Why? I chose to become a mountaineer, a student in Mansfield, because I wanted to further my education. My cousin told me about the school, and he told me he had a great experience and it was a good school. And since I've been here for about 2 semesters, so far so good. It's important for me to share my reflected best self with you guys because I want my classmates to get to know me better. And I feel like anybody watching this video is gonna know me so much after this. This is me and my mom after graduation. Now to my review. Now to my preview. The 3 responses that meant the most to me were my brother's response, my best friend's response, and my girlfriend's response. Those responses really meant so much to me. My brother's response, here's a quote from it. I appreciate everything about our relationship. You are my favorite sibling. He's my favorite sibling too. We are really close together. I love you, big brother. You always make sure no one bothers me, and I am proud to say I have the best big brother in the world. That really makes me feel proud. This is me and my best friend after graduation. We knew each other since 3rd grade. You are the person I look up to and have always been the person I look up to. I appreciate everything that you do for me. I know you picked me because you are my best friend and it might not be serious to me, but it meant so much to more than that. It means so much more than that. He's talking about basketball because he's not really good, but I always pick him because if we come to play together, we're gonna play together, if you know what I mean. This is my girlfriend. This is the response. I appreciate all of you. You are the most amazing person I know. I appreciate you always being there for me and always making me happy. In conclusion, those are my 3 responses: my brothers, my best friends, and my girlfriend. Those really made me proud. In conclusion, When I read the great things that were said about me, it makes me feel like a good person, and it shows how much these three people really care about me. And I hope they know that I love them as much as they love me. Thank you.